Here at Phoenix, it really is an environment of joy because, my coworkers feel more like friends and it feels more like a home here, not just, clock in, clock out, I'm ready for the next day.
Everyone here is like a family to me. I've made a lot of friends. I enjoy coming every day to work.
We look out for one another. If someone's, not feeling great that day, we'll reach out to them and try to make sure that they get cheered up.
I just enjoy coming in this work and having working with Ray and the Russell family has been awesome.
When I interviewed for them, I'd done a few interviews at that point, and they were kind of the first company that I felt like cared about me as a person, and that was kind of what drew me to work for them.
We're encouraged to share our thoughts, our opinions, and ideas, and the reasoning behind that. So we always get the opportunity to make a difference and make a change and be heard.
There are so many things that people are looking for. They want to be happy. That's why we're all about creating an environment of joy. So in addition to empowering our people, we have to trust them. We allow them to make decisions and really guide the future of our organization. The other thing we do is we ensure people feel appreciated and understand that they truly are core to the success of this organization.